If you are planning to buy a budget PC under $400 at 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that you should buy for under $400. Let's get started. For the processor, I have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one costs around $128. The reason for choosing this processor is it has more than 10,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. You will get 6 cores and 12 threads along with 4.4 GHz boost clock speed. And the positive side of this processor is you don't need an external graphics card to run this processor, as this processor comes with powerful integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics. It's an excellent deal in this price. Then for the motherboard, I've chosen the ASRock B550M. This one costs only $92, and for only under $100 you are going to get everything that you need. You will get 2 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support for using high-speed NVMe SSD, all the ports that you need. And as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. Then for the RAM, I've chosen the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 16GB RAM. This one costs around $38. Now these are one of the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy from Amazon, and the 3200 MHz RAM comes with lifetime warranty, so it's an excellent deal. And for the SSD, I've chosen the Western Digital Black 500GB. This one costs around $35. Now for only $35 you are going to get a PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, but keep that in mind, our processor doesn't support PCIe Gen 4. We won't get the full potential of this SSD, but considering we are getting the latest SSD for only $35, it's an excellent deal. And for the power supply, I've chosen the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 plus gold certified 600 watt power supply. This one costs around $59. Now for only $59 you are going to get an 80 plus gold certified power supply, which is excellent, and also you are going to get a 5-year plus warranty. And as this is a 600 watt power supply, you can add an external graphics card in future if you want to. Then for the casing, I've chosen the Gamdias RGB gaming casing. This one costs around $64. Now for only $64 you are going to get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, a glass front, a glass side, and overally excellent minimalistic casing, and all those components will cost you around $416. Thanks for watching.